The ancestral flute sounds softly. And then the spirit responds. From the noble land of Obago, Ara village in Ise, a sacred chord rises deep, proud and timeless. The family of late Chief Okoye Nze Ejike warmly and respectfully invite you to witness a moment of honor and history. IGBARA OWURU, the biggest also titleship conferment of the century, a crown not won by many, a title of truth, courage, integrity, and service, reserved for men of upright heart and proven legacy, a sacred bond between a man, his people, and ancestors who watch in approval. And now, in honor of worthy son of the soil, Chief Ejike Williams, or Ramadike Wananise, President General Igbo Union Cote Dvore, is called to take his rightful place among the title men of honor in Nise. Oh, IGBARA OWURU. Kings shall converge, elders shall pour blessings, high chiefs shall bear witness, as tradition speaks and history listens. Date 29th December 2025. Time 10 a.m. till dawn. Venue Chief Ejike Williams Compound, Obago, Ara Village Nise, near Federal College Nise. And then, as the drums thunders and the eager feet answers the call, Sonic Kampala ignites the arena. Songs, joy, celebration without end. IGBARA OWURU confinement. Special guest of honor, Chief Boniface Egbutu, Ogene Nise, His Royal Majesty Eze Manelike Chukwuchukwuma, Nwatanyana Chiadinama, Eze Igbo Cote Dvore, His Royal Highness Eze Charles Anetu, Ojichukwu Jiven Anamu, Eze Igbo Pobwe, High Chief Peter Ugu, Ikenga ndị Igbo Cote Dvore, Chairman Enugu State Union Cote Dvore, High Chief Chinedu Eze Nwaka, Ezononobo Jesus Noga, Chairman ndị echichi Igbo Cote Dvore, and then Chief Augustine Ike, Anna Soluchukwuniyi. Oh, IGBARA OWURU, come, witness honor crowned. Come, celebrate culture alive. Come, be part of also prestige fulfilled. Day, history is calling. Answer it.